Alright guys, today we're gonna talk about how to install Windows Vista on your computer. And first of all, you're going to need a USB drive. My drive has 16 gigabytes. I suppose 8 gigabytes should be enough. Then you need an ISO of Windows Vista. And to put the ISO on the USB drive, you need Rufus, for example. If you download Rufus and open it up, you will see a lot of options, and one of the options you're going to make sure is set correctly is to use an MBR partition scheme and not GPT on the USB drive. Once that is selected and you make sure that it is also set to NTFS and not FAT32, you should be good to go. And then you make your USB pen, and you are right where I am right now. You're ready to insert it to your computer and start installing Windows Vista. Secondly, when you turn on your computer, you're going to make sure in the BIOS to open up the BIOS first. In my computer, I have to press F2, and then you go to, in my case, startup. No, that wasn't the case. Startup, and then I go to Wi-Fi Legacy Boot, and you have to make sure that Legacy has been chosen and not Wi-Fi. So you select Legacy and you save the changes. All right, and then you just reboot your computer. Also, I'm pretty sure that the installation won't work if you insert the USB stick in a USB 3.0 port. I have inserted mine in this port, and it seems to be working just fine, because I assume it is USB 2.0. And now the machine is booting up, and then you press enter to boot from the USB. And Windows is now loading files. So far, so good. And then we have the Microsoft logo shortly, and then we will see the installation menu. And yeah, if your mouse is working, you should be good to go for installation. And then you just wait a little bit. And now we have the language, time and currency format, keyboard or input method. Choose whatever you like and press next and press install. If you have a key, you just type in the key. Otherwise, click next and click no if you don't have a key. And you need to accept the license terms, like so. And then you click custom for a clean Windows install. And as you can see here, my SSD drive is listed up here, and it says Windows cannot be installed to this hard disk space. Windows must be installed to a partition formatted as NTFS. So we click drive options in my case and delete the drive. Make sure that your data is saved before doing this, because this will erase all data on the disk. And then I press OK. And I press next. And now Windows will install on the selected disk. And we will now fast forward to the complete of installation. Okay, so now the computer has finished the 4 to 5 steps, and you're just not going to press enter on this and just let it finish the installation where it left off. Let me know in the comment section why on earth you are installing Windows Vista. Is it just for fun, or do you have something specific you're going to do with it? Or please share in the comment section. Please wait a while Windows sets up your computer. And we are back again with the last step of the installation. So we're gonna fast forward once again. Waiting and 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 waiting. Okay, so now something is happening. It is thinking and thinking and thinking and thinking. Forever. Okay, now it is rebooting once again. And again, you're not gonna press enter here. And hello, Microsoft Corporation. And now it looks like maybe yeah. So now you are going to choose a username and a picture. For example, John. I will just write John. Type a password if you like. I'm just gonna try and skip it for now. Like that. John PC. Choose a desktop background. Of course, I'm gonna choose this very Vista like wallpaper here, and press next and ask me later. Pacific time. Next. Thank you. Okay, so that seems to be concluding how to install Windows Vista on your PC. Let's see if the desktop will initialize. Okay, so actually we weren't done yet. Getting it done, just more fun. Time is precious. More than ever, you need a system that is simple, easy, natural and enjoyable, so you can get things done and focus on what matters most in your life. Please wait while Windows checks your computer's performance. Connect and communicate like never before. It is now safer and easier to connect with people, blah, blah, blah. Okay, we're just gonna fast forward here, and now we are done. Windows Vista Ultimate, preparing your desktop. Great. And we are now logged in. So there you have it. That's how you install Windows Vista. Thank you. Please hit that subscribe button, like the video, comment if you like, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.